to OnceHub Tutorials. My name is Vivek, and in this video, we will be setting up a Zap for booking calendars. This will allow you to send booking data using Zapier to any other third-party application that Zapier supports. To do this, you can log into OnceHub and click on the gear icon at the top right corner, and then click on Zapier. Once you've done that, you can search for the application that you want to integrate with. In this example, we will be using Google Sheets. In this video, we will be starting from scratch. For the first trigger, we will be using OnceHub since we are sending data from OnceHub to Google Sheets. The trigger event in this case, I will select as the booking lifecycle event. This will allow me to track the complete life cycle of the booking, even if it is cancelled or rescheduled. Here I'm selecting the OnceHub account, and then I can click on continue. I can click on test trigger so that Zapier knows all the fields that I'm using within OnceHub, and then I will continue with selected record. For the next trigger, we will use Google Sheets. I've already set up a sheet with the name Zapier testing for this video. For the action event, I want a new row to be created each time a booking is created. For this, I would select the option for create spreadsheet row. Based on the application that you are integrating with using Zapier, you might see a different page here. You might be asked for the fields directly that you want to integrate with, or you might be asked to sign in with the application that you want to integrate with. I've already signed in with my Google account here, so I will go ahead and click on continue. Like I said, based on the application that you're integrating with, you might see different fields here. Currently, I'm being asked to select the drive, which is the Google Drive that the particular sheet is located in. If you're connecting with a CRM or any other application, you might directly be asked to just map the fields instead, which we'll be seeing in a moment. Here I've selected this the particular worksheet. And now, since the columns in my Google Sheet is name and email, since that is the data that I want to collect, Zapier has already identified it as particular fields. So what we'll be doing in this step is mapping fields from OnceHub to the fields in Google Sheet. For this, I will click on the plus button there. I can search for name, and the field that I'm looking for is the contact name, OnceHub testing, which is from a previous booking that I've created. And email is similarly the contact email, and we can click on continue. We can click on test step here so that a trigger is sent to Google Sheets. And as you can see, some data was received here. We'll go ahead and publish the Zap. The Zap has been published. So now I'll create a new booking using my booking calendar. We'll select the date and time and enter the name, slightly different so that we know it's a new entry. Similarly, the email I will also enter slightly different so that we know it's a new entry. And now we can see if the data is coming through to Google Sheets or not. It looks like it came through correctly. So this means our Zap is working and it is sending data from OnceHub to the application that I want. I hope this video was helpful. In case you have any queries, you can always reach out to us at support@oncehub.com, or you can reach out to us at chat here. I hope you have a good day ahead and take care.